Need to format a USB drive on your Mac? Here's how. Takes about 1 minute. Plug in your USB drive. Wait for the drive to appear on your Finder. Press Command and space to open Spotlight. Then type Disk Utility and press Enter. In Disk Utility, you'll see a list of available internal and external storage devices. Find your USB on the left side and click it. Then click Erase at the top. In the Erase window, you can change the name of your USB drive. I'll name mine DeviceMinute. exFAT works on both Windows and macOS operating systems. In this example, I'm choosing exFAT. Click Erase. Wait a few seconds. Once you see the green Completed icon, the operation was successful. Your USB is formatted and ready.